This drives me nuts. Can't get to anything. Let's do something about it. Okay, first we gotta measure. The only problem is we can't take this out. So it can't be more than 12 and a half. I think what I'll do is build vertical shelves. And then every casserole dish will have its own spot. And they won't be stacked on each other. Alright, so I drew out the plans. So I'm going to have 2 boxes on the bottom, 2 boxes on the top. Actually, I'm not going to have this box. I'm just going to make one shelf. It has to be 2 separate boxes because I can't slide one big box into the cupboard because between the doors there's the board. Then I also drew out the exact cuts what I'm going to do. So there we go. Let's build it. Alright, so I need to start cutting the dado cuts for the shelf inserts. So I put my blade at 1/4 inch in height. I have a little gauge that tells me exactly 1/4 inch. So I need to put constant pressure on top of it, and obviously I don't want to put my hand on it. So I use Micro Jigs grippers. I love these things. I'll put a link down below in the description of where you can get one. So you can put grip, push it down, and then we'll go from there. So you can see that I did all the dado cuts. Now I'm just going to assemble everything and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I got the first one glued up and nailed. Now let's see if we did it right. I'm just going to glue them all up. See if my sliders slide in. Perfect. That's exciting. Alright, so now I need to cut out all these. I did the first one, and they just slide in, and they'll just slide into the box. So this is just so that you can have a little extra room to grab the pans. So I just traced them all, now I'm just going to cut them all. Barely fits. Let's see if that'll help. Oh no! Alright, so here is the completed product. Like I've shown you before. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Being able to put your dishes in and out without having to unstack them. Like another side thing I did, I put screws in the doors. I just hang my strainers on the doors. Just another way to get things not stacked on top of each other. I'm pretty pleased. More importantly, my wife is pretty pleased. And even more important than that, my mother-in-law is pretty pleased. I know a lot of you don't have the tools that I have to make something like this. Another way you could do it is use these file folders, file boxes. I don't know what they're called, but they hold files. Honestly, you could just stack them side by side in your cabinet, and they work great. I mean, you could hold your casserole dishes in it, your lids, whatever. But if you just had enough of those, it would do the exact same thing. So yeah, just another idea. If you have any other ideas, go ahead and comment below on what you think you could do or what you have done. I love to read the comments. It's been fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this has inspired you to go organize your pans. And if you could just give me a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Also subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification bell so you'll know exactly when I post something new. I'm always posting new stuff. I'm really trying to grow my channel. If you could hit that like and subscribe, that really helps a lot. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.